the hooks must have a certain length.
Okay.
All right. So do you want me to say it again?
Yes, please, so I can show
So
this.
the longitudinal rivers into the columns, they need to reach out to the bottom of the footing. They cannot stop at the top of the footing. That's where they get anchored. And the hook at the end of the rebars must be compliant with the ACI 318 standards in terms of dimensions. Also, at the same time, the horizontal bars into the footing, they need to be anchored at the ends, so they need to have hooks at the end. The bars that runs horizontally at the top of the footing has two hooks, one left, one right. They're pointed down, so they're bent 90 degrees and they go down. While the bottom rebars going left to the right, they need to have hooks that are bent up 90 degrees. And the length of those hooks, again, must be compliant with the 318 standards, ACI 318 standards.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna show this to Matthew, and
Yeah. And remember that in order actually to connect the footing and the rebars, we use dowels.
okay.
So those are dowels that they have like an overlap length, which is typically the tension development length, L sub D, right? And then the rebars start at the outside of the footing from the column. So the dowels are embedded into the footing. The footing is cast, and then the rebar columns, they are overlapped with the dowels, and that creates the connection between the footing and the column reinforcement. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thank
And
you.
then what I was noticing with the IMA is that there is a lot of